Hello friends, greetings from Dantewada. I hope you and your family are doing well during this pandemic time. All of us at Bachpan Bana are also doing well. We are trying our level best to reach out to as many children as possible through our initiatives like Jola Library, worksheets, community-driven learning centers. As children in Dantewada do not have access to mobiles, internet, electricity for online and digital education like their counterparts in urban areas. As you are aware, we have been working in Dantewada district of Chhattisgarh since last 9 years with the vision of strengthening public education system for a just, equal, knowledgeable, sustainable and human society. To bring our vision into reality, we are running initiatives like School Transformation Program, where we collaborate with government primary schools and we closely work with teachers, head teachers, cluster academic coordinators, block level education functionaries, parent teacher associations of the school, and programs like Mawa School, where we collaborate with parent teacher associations and school management committees and Panchayat Raj members. And to establish alternative models of tribal education, we are running a school called Sapno Ki Shala. And to explore possibilities of education for urban slum children, recently we have also started a school called Samata School in Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh. Along with these initiatives, we also collaborate with local government, district administration and Jilla Panchayat through initiatives like Pade Dantewada, Like Dantewada, and also through our policy advocacy interventions. This year, we are planning to scale up our community-driven learning centers initiative in all 143 Gram Panchayats of Dantewada district. While rolling out all these interventions, what we keep in our mind is, and what is the biggest motive behind all these interventions is, how can we make education relevant for a tribal child? Because our experience says around 63% children in Dantewada are becoming dropouts between class 1 to class 12th, and the biggest reason is they are not finding the education relevant for their future. They don't feel connected to the modern day education system. They don't find their classrooms interesting enough to sit there for 5 to 6 hours in a day. So all our energy goes into working with teachers, working on curriculum, how can we readjust our annual academic calendar and other different aspects of education so that we can make education relevant for children from a tribal community. To do all these things, we do need people. We are happy that all our Karyakartas are working tirelessly in the field, visiting villages every day, even during these pandemic times, to make our vision into reality. There are people who are working on contextualized content. There are people who are visiting villages tirelessly even during the pandemic time to meet the community members, to meet the teachers, and there are people who work as coordinators and teacher trainers. And all of them have families to take care. Anyway, I am not here to ask for funds today. I am here with special purpose. I am not asking for funds or donations. I am asking for your time. The idea is, we are looking for people who can give some time every week for Bachpan Banao to raise funds. We are planning to form a group called Overseas Friends of Bachpan Banao. And we are asking people to commit a year for us. So during the year, each member of this group is responsible to raise $100 from minimum of 2 of your friends every month. Why these small contributions are necessary for us? Because in the current political times, every grant that we are getting is coming with its own obligations. Being a civil society organization, being a community organization, it is necessary to be independent, to work for welfare of people, to take people's side. Until and unless we become truly independent financially, organization cannot take stand on issues that matters for people. So, to be truly people's organization need to be financially independent, and it is possible only if we get small funds from large number of people consistently every month. Otherwise, if we go for any organizational grant, it is going to come with obligations. So, we are appealing everyone, if we could devote some time for Bachpan Banao, please be part of this initiative called Overseas Friends of Bachpan Banao, and commit to raise $100 every month so that we can work freely and smoothly to make public education system in Dantewada truly empowered to build just, equal and sustainable society. Thank you very much.